Soon after Bill Chayakli votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Nah 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 nah. Rasta man smoke ash all ya man. Yeah. Me step light on the road so cold. Inna the miss story unfold. Me wear no crown but me heart is gold. Me chant truths that Babylon soul. Me face hidden but me soul shine bright. Me trod slow through the darkest night. No need for rage, no need for war. Me power is silence, me vision is far. Inna the shadows me remain still, listening to Jah, bending me will. Them can't see me, them can't trap. Me leave no trail, me set no map. Me a lion inna the mist, walking quiet but me fist resist. Me no roar unless me must. My voice come clean like ancient dust. Me no fight with teeth, me fight with light. Inna the mist, me hold my mind. Me third eye open wide like moon. Me learn Jah time, me nah move too soon. Me see deception, me feel the fear, but me walk with no worry near. Me urban sacred fi guide my pace. Me meditate in a sacred space. Me reason deep with stars above. Me hold the vibes, me spread the love. Them look for me in a obvious place, but me trod deeper in a Zion grace. Me no play a game, me no play a man. Me live for roots, me live for plan. All up, me silent like sunrise over sea. Me strong like drum, steady and free. Them think me soft, them think me gone, but me still stand long after storm. All up, me chant low under mystic moon. Me sing for the ones who rise up soon. Me no boast, me no show the flame, but me fire deep and it can't tame. Me a lion inna the smoke, speaking riddle, never joke. Me teach with rhythm, heal with song. Me walk in silence, stand my ground. Me no need crowd for know me gift. Me rise and shine through Babylon drift. Me hear me elders inna the breeze. Them whisper code through roots of trees. Them say lion, no lose your calm. Your roar is the storm before the balm. Me light up chalice, me give Jah praise. Me mind elevating holy blaze. Me remember all the fight them fought. Me carry it now in me thought. This is for every youth in the yard. Hold your ground when life gets hard. Me speaking metaphor, moving grace. Leave Babylon without trace. As my fear in the fog, my strength remain like roots in soil after the rain. My lion spirit can't be killed. My fire not the mist still build. Cool. Nah, 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 dawaj krytykacja, wojska. Pack me bag, me roll one tight. Irie morning, the sunshine bright. Me jump in a van, baseline strong. Roots highway, me ride along. Me destination just forward way. No worry, no clock, just Jah today. From Kingston Hills to Portland Breeze, me drive with the rhythm, me soul at ease. Pon the roots highway me ride, with me spliff and rhythm by me side. Me carry love, me drop distress. In this livity me manifest. Me foot steady, me heart stay true. Jah guide the way me always knew. From town to bush, me spirit fly. Pon the roots highway, me testify. Me pass youths pon roadside sell. Them eyes still bright, though life not swell. Me honk and wave, me send them light. Cause me know this world not always right. But me not dwell in pain too long. Me turn it to fire, me turn it to song. Me chant, me reason, me plant the seed. Rasta ride with faith, not greed. Me stop fi coconut, ital stew. Me link me bread and me whole of you. Me light up chalice under tree. Sweet smoke rise and me soul feel free. No rush, me take me time. Me life a poem, me words a rhyme. Every mile teach me more. Each turn me open a higher door. Pon the roots highway me roll. Me ride for the young and the old. Me bring vibration high and clean. Like mountain spring, me keep it green. Me burn down hate, me spread some love. Me chant to Jah who watch from above. Me ride the rhythm like tidal wave. Me spirit bold, me heart not cave. Me link a sister in a Negril side. She tell me stories of what she hide. Me say release it, let Jah hear. Cause every tear is strength fi bear. Me meet a elder in a Clarendon. Him tell me of Marcus and revolution. Me soak the words like roots soak rain. Me ride with wisdom, not in vain. Sun a set now, sky on fire. Me feel the night and still inspire. Me light me spliff one more again. And sing me truth in soft refrain. Stars above, the silent sweet. Me heartbeat sync with Naya Bingy beat. Me give thanks for every turn. Cause even through dark me spirit burn. Pon the roots highway me glide. With good vibes as me only guide. Me nah need riches, nah need gold. Me carry roots, me carry soul. Me travel light, me travel wide. With reggae spirit as me ride. Me live it real, me joy stay high. On Jah highway me reach the sky. Roots highway carry I home. Smoke in the wind, no more roam. Me ride the rhythm, me chant alone. Till Zion call, me reach me zone. Na na na, dawaj kutikasia, Vajska. Nah nah nah, Jah bless the people, yeah man. Me wake with sun pa me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Roots man heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke fi run away. Me smoke fi clear me inner way. Earth provide this plant of peace. A sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a roots man higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chant. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with roots man ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the Naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again. Nah 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 Ganja. In a Vito struck your mom. Me wake on the hillside, morning dew on me skin. Sun arise like the fire we burn deep within. Me stretch out me hand to the east with a prayer. Jah guide me steps, me spirit in a clear air. Me roll a next spliff, give thanks for the light. Me inhale wisdom, exhale fright. No worry pon me chest, no pain me a feel. Just loving on me blood and a heart we real. Iron heart meditation, me not stress no more. Me sit in a silence while Babylon roar. Smoke rise like spirit in a sacred flame. Rasta nah run, Rasta claim him name. Lion heart meditation, calm like the sea. Me soul in tune with the breeze and tree. From hills to the valley, me message spread. Me chant down fear, me live up it. Me hear the ancestors whisper in a wind. Live right youth, don't follow sin. Them voice soft but powerful like drum. Each beat remind me where me come from. Me nah need crown or title or fame. Me treasure me peace more than name. Me chalice full, but me heart full of still. Me learn say silence teach more than skill. Jah, and me drift to higher plane. Me feel the love, wash me like rain. All the stress made like candle flame. Me no chase dollar, me no seek fame. Me chant by river, me walk through field. Me soul armored, arms in a twilight breeze. Me kneel in style, me pray with ease. The city cold, but the hillside warm. Me blessed by the sun, me protected from harm. Ganja in a palm, it opened my mind. Me see through illusion, me no longer blind. Them demon in a suit can't trick me again. Me read the signs, me know the pain. Me pass chalice to me brethren near. Each draw a bridge, each puff clear. We reason about life, we reason about soul. Me lyrics and love more precious than gold. Lion heart meditation, echo through night. Me glow in a dark, me carry the light. Lion heart meditation, strength from above. Me walk with the king, me trod with love. Inhale peace and exhale pain. Lion heart strong through sunshine and rain. Let meditation guide me like ancient flame. Let me rise with the wind and I call your name. Rasta brother is so high, man. Barefoot on the mountain road. Me carry no weight, me drop that load. Me heart clean, me mind so still. Me walk to Zion by Jah will. Me drum a beat from deep inside. Me chant fi make me spirit guide. Each step a prayer, each breath a song. Me know Jah presence all along. Me bona spliff fi clear the way. No worry reach me on this day. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Rasta move with the river flow. Rasta chant on holy land, with staff and herb in a hand. Earth a speak and sky reply. We trod until we reach the high. Oh chant, let Jah spirit plant. Me meet a elder upon the trail. Him eye them deep like mystic tale. Him say youth keep your fire bright. No darkness can out Jah light. Me sight a lion in a grass. It nod like it know me part. Me nah fear no beast or sound. Me walk on sacred ancient ground. Smoke rise from me chillum cup. Wisdom rise, me soul erupt. Me no trod alone, me trod with vice. Each leaf a lesson, each step a choice. Oh, under the tree me sit and chant. River run cool and gallant. Meditation pon the rock. Hear the ticking of Jah clock. Oh, the herb whisper like mountain breeze. The forest dance in silent peace. Me higher self come out to play. Me reason with Jah every day. Rasta chant fi cleanse the soul. Each vibration make me whole. No palace, me nah need throne. Jah kingdom live in flesh and bone. Oh chant, oh chant, let the fire plant. When the sun sink low on the hills, me light me fire, burn me chills. Stars align like ancient scroll. Jah message deep, me hear it all. Me no use phone, Me use moonlight, me read the sky in Jah own right. Me cook ital, me eat slow. The roots man wisdom always grow. Me rest me head on earth in bed. The forest sing, me not feel dread. Me journey long but spirit high. Me trod till Zion fill the sky. So if you hear me from afar, me voice a light, me word a star. Me not preach, me just reveal the power of love your heart can feel. Rasta chant, not just a song. It aware, feel live strong. Smoke the herb, beat the drum. Meditate till kingdom come. Oh. Ganja, ganja. Ay, ay, ay. Coconut bong. Yeah, man. Sunrise peak through the coconut trees. Me give thanks while me feel the breeze. Me light the herb, me sip me tea. Me mind connect to the Almighty. It's not religion, it's livity true. Me no follow man, me follow Jah view. Bare footsteps pan Mother Earth. Each one sacred, each one worth. Me move with the rhythm of nature. Slow, one breath, one beat. Me livity flow. Me smoke, me chant, me feel Jah near. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay clear. Me flow like river, me rise like smoke. This livity real, it nah no joke. Every draw, me reason deep. Truth in a silence, roots run deep. Under the mango tree me sit and float. Meditation sweet like honey in throat. Me herb sacred, me mind fly far. Me reach places beyond the star. Me chant for healing, chant for peace. Me chant till every illusion cease. Me no worry about the time or race. Me walk in iration, Jah give me grace. Burn the fire not just for smoke, but for awaken the ones who still provoke. Me not judge, me just live wise. Me see true lies with open eyes. Babylon can't cage this art. Me soul free from the very start. Me walk the line that prophets tread. Me reason with ancestors, not what's said. Me flow like a leaf on the riverbed. Me mind elevated, me spirit fed. Me no rush, me let life go. One with the earth, me livity flow. Me journey far, but me still near. Me carry Rasta word loud and clear. From hills of Zion to city lights. Me shine me message in a darkest night. Me dreadlocks long like wisdom roots. Each twist carry ancient truths. Me no flex with vanity thing. Me crown full of life, not gold ring. Me no need mansion, me no want fame. Just a utter spliff and your name. Me family, me land, me little sound. Me grow from soil, me hold it down. Me give what me have, me share what me gain. Me livity pure like the morning rain. Rasta no boast, Rasta just live. Me give love, and love me give. Me dance pon the wind, me ride the breeze. Me chant till all Babylon freeze. Me live with roots, me live with soul. Me livity flow forever old. Me move with the moon and the sun above. Me walk in harmony, me walk in love. In every breath, Jah lights me way. Me livity flow each blessed day. Nah, nah, nah. Kingston haze in a me pocket, yeah man. Me sit on the rock, feel the earth below. Heartbeat rhythm from long time ago. Me close me eyes, chant in a trance. Hear the drum of ancestors dance. Them whisper truth in a breeze so fine. Them guide me soul beyond the time. Me nah watch clock, me nah chase fame. Me walk with spirits, them call me name. Me bones remember Africa's soil. Me soul ignite like ancient oil. Me light the chalice, give thanks for breath. Me chant your name till me meet death. Dub of the ancients rise in a smoke. Rhythm so deep, it break the yoke. Echoes of Zion, wisdom wide. Me trod this path, me nah go hide. Every bass line is a prayer. Every echo say Jah is near. Thunder drum beat from midnight sky. Lightning flash when my spirit fly. Me walk in vision, me see the past. Me know that truth will always last. From Nile to Kingston, from roots to sky. Me sing for the ones who not ask why. Me step through realm where words can't reach. Me chant through sound, me soul fit teach. Me nah need crown, me nah need stage. Me dub a temple, me mic a sage. Me reach that state where Babylon fear. A peaceful mind, so crystal clear. Me burn herb on the sacred fire. Me chant till me soul rise higher. Me link with drum, me chant with breeze. Me talk with trees, me sit at ease. Every note a spell, every skank a sign. Me feel Jah breath between each line. Me no perform, me transform. Me dub is storm, me heart is warm. Dub of the ancients, holy sound. Shake the ground and spin it round. Me voice a river, me word a seed. Me plant in a heart where people need. Dub come deep like morning mist. Heal your mind and clench your fist. Me record rhythm pan stone and air. It echo in cave, it dwell in prayer. Me nah use auto, me use soul. Me chant for youth, for Jah control. Me eye red but me sight divine. Me smoke for Jah, me drink no wine. Me hold vibration, me hold the ground. Me spread truth through dub-wise sound. Me hear the cry of Africa's womb. Me chant to clear the fear and gloom. Me no forget the elders fight. Me carry touch, me burn the night. Me dub a spaceship, me mic a drum. Me ride the rhythm till kingdom come. Me sing not just for entertain. Me chant for purge your soul from pain. Me fade in echo, me voice still stare. Me ancient sound can't wash away.
Hey, chocolate ash na me coco, yeah man. Me open me eye with the rising sun. Steam in a kettle, me day just begun. Me chant a psalms with the humble tone. Cause me know say Jah never leave me alone. Me step out barefoot pan a sacred land. Me feel the blessing from Jah own hand. Me hold me herb, me roll it slow. A meditation before me go. Steam rise up like the soul from fire. Me connect with life, me reach up higher. Spirit pure like spring-fed stream. Me blaze and float in a conscious dream. No rush, no race, no fear me show. Me roots deep down where true love grow. Steam and spirit, smoke and sky. Me reason with Jah as time roll by. Me walk in a bush with a staff in hand. Me pick me herbs from blessed land. Me sister smile and wave from field. She reap what Jah and nature yield. Me sit under tree, me grind me leaf. I tell food cool, me soul find relief. Me light the chalice with holy flame and call Panja name, not in vain. Herb is me prayer, me meditation. Natural doctor, no need prescription. Me burn the fire with love and peace. Me have a chant, fi war to cease. Rasta nah promote no vanity. Me build up heart with clarity. Me use each breath fi truth and right. Me walk with Jah, me walk with light. My time stew bubble in a K-pot. Me no eat that, me no touch rat. From earth to pot, me give me praise. Me full me belly, me mind it raise. Me teach me youth the sacred way. No poison tongue, no system play. We chant at dusk, we rise at dawn. For every lion, a lamb is born. Me link me brother by a riverside. We burn a spliff and reason why. Both universe and time and soul. Both Ojala is the only goal. He tell me tales from ancient time of kings and queens in sacred line. Me realize me crown is taught, and every man must battle fought. Steam rise up, carry me high above the matrix, beyond the sky. Me free me mind, me cleanse me fear. Jah voice me always here. So me ride with the rhythm, plant me seed. Live in truth, not in greed. Steam and spirit, fire and flow. With Rasta Livity me grow.
Oh yo yo Kaya, smoke with Rasta ya man. Rise up early, bird a sing. Me walk barefoot, me soul a wing. Me see creation in every leaf. The trees them whisper secret belief. From high the hills, me look below. Babylon still rush, but me move slow. Me no need the noise, me seek the calm. Me hold me chalice like sacred psalm. Roots and remedy, that are the key. In a every drop, me find clarity. Smoke rise up like ancient rite. Guide me soul in a Jah light. Roots and remedy, calm me mind. Heal me wounds from the daily grind. Me nah run from pain, me face it wise. Me learn from roots, me grow and rise.
Me cook up vital pan open flame. Me nah eat that, me no play that game. Plant in a garden, me reap the truth. Me live off land since me was youth. Me drink sour sup and moringa leaf. Me use herbs fi pain and grief. Them doctor can't sell me no pill. Me already find healing in the hill.
Me sit still, listen breeze blow. The wind tell tale from long time ago. Them fight Rasta, fi all we back. But we stay firm like tree pan track. Me see through Babylon TV screen. But me stay grounded, me stay clean. Me temple sacred, me chant me sound. Me spirit deeper than any battleground. Roots and remedy, me medicine. Me rise with herbs, me rise within. Smoke surround me like misty veil. Me spirit sail where truth prevail. Me burn a next spliff fi Jah name. Each puff remove illusion and shame. Me no need riches nor vanity, just wisdom and simplicity. Me play me rhythm, me skanking grace. Me find peace in a humble place. Them count gold, me count breath. The
Each draw me give thanks, feel life not dead. Heartbeat drum, me move in trance. Me praise the most high in a every dance. Me crown not made of jewels or steel, but me wear roots like shield and seal. Me chant at night, me float like breeze. Me burn all doubt and live in peace. Me no follow trend or fashion clone. Me style ancient, me stand alone. Roots and remedy, that's how me way. Me meditate through night and day. Inna the herb, me find release. Me walk with lion, me tread in peace. Roots and remedy, balance divine. Me hold the herb like sacred sign. No fear, no hate, just melody. Me higher self set, me spirit free.
Yeah, Zion. Inna the jungle, yeah man. Me meet ya under moonlight sway, in a corner where the incense play. You had eyes like African storm. Me soul get warm, me heart transform. You ask me if me smoke or pray. Me tell you about every single day. You laugh like thunder, voice like stream. Since that moment me float in dream. Me high on love, not just the herb. You touch me spirit, not just me nerve. We levitate in timeless wave, like star and fire, Jah children brave. High on love so naturally. You and I in harmony. No illusion, no disguise, just pure connection in your eyes. We roll one under ancient tree. You chant in tones that set me free. You speak of soul and sacred path. Me laugh so deep, me can't hold back. You move like rhythm in a Naya bingi, like drums and winds in ceremony. Me hold your hand, me nah let go. You guide me where me heart can know. Love is not possession, love is flow. It burn like chalice in candle glow. We not own each other, but we align like planets dance in cosmic sign. You are the verse me never wrote, the bassline steady in a me throat. Each kiss a revolution true. Me see Jah light in loving you. Me high on love and that's enough. Even when the road gets rough, with you me rise, with you me fall. We answer only Zion call. Me high on love, pure and clean, more real than any TV screen. We blaze and float, two spirits one, forever dancing in a sun. We talk about life till morning dew. You whisper truths me never knew. Me write your name in clouds above. Me plant your smile like sacred dove. We sip from cup of fruits and gold. We age together, never old. You and me, a mystic blend, not just a fling, this not pretend. High on love, not lust, not mask, not rush, but ancient flame, soul to soul, name to name. Me feel you even when you far, like ganja smoke and evening star. High on love, we travel far, in a this life and every part.